Hi everyone, welcome back to another Spanish lesson. I'm Miss Danny with the T Center, and today's topic are the animals. So let's go ahead and start with our PowerPoint presentation. Animals in Spanish is animales. Animales, which is at the letter E before the S. Zebra, zebra. Now spelled the same way, but the accent changes on the letter E. Zebra. Lion, león. We change the I for the E. León. Camel, camello. Now remember when it's double L, we pronounce as J. Camello. Rhino, rinoceronte. Now let's do it a little bit slower because this word is a little long. Rinoceronte. Good. And last, we have tiger. Tigre. Tigre. Good job. Now let's go ahead and listen to the song we have ready for today.
Zebra. Zebra. Cocodrilo. Cocodrilo. Mono. Mono. Rinoceronte. Rinoceronte. Tigre. Tigre.
Good. And those are the animals that we learned today. So let's go ahead and review the names of the ones that we learned. Now, I want you to repeat after me every time I say the name of the animal in Spanish, okay? I'm going to say it twice. Ready? Zebra. Zebra. León. León. Camello. Camello. Rinoceronte. Rinoceronte. And tigre. Tigre. Great job, everyone. Thank you for joining us in today's class. Don't forget to please like and share our videos. We'd love to hear from you, your feedback, and I hope that you join us for next video. I will see you next class. Adios.